Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from circles. Okay, the question is find the equation of a circle which touches both the axis and the line x equals to c. So, from this question, let us draw the figure first, diagram first. Okay, first take the axis, right? This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is the origin O. Okay, and here it is given x equals to c is a line, so let us draw that line also. Like this we can see the line which is x equals to c. X equals to c means y becomes 0, so 0 on x we have to take some value c. Like this I got, so this is x equals to c. Now the circle touches both the axis and also touches even this, so the circle will be between these two lines. So like this it will be, right? Right, so this will be the center and this becomes the radius. If you observe, this is also, here also you may get, right? Not only there, okay, for this also you will have the diameter and center, right? Either you can have here or here. Okay, now we have to find the equation of this type of circle. Okay, so now if you observe, this will be the center, no, right? And what will be this is the diameter. And if you observe this from origin to this, what will be the distance between this? Distance is here c, right? So the total distance means diameter from figure, we can say the length of diameter is c. So radius equals to diameter by 2, which is equals to c by 2, right? Therefore, then from this what we can say, ma? If I am drawing a line like this from center to the other point on the circle, this will be, this is the distance, this is the distance, and from this distance we can say, from this and this distance we can say the coordinates of center. So therefore coordinates of the center will be what, ma? This total is c, and center is nothing but the middle point of the diameter. That, and that's why what we can say, middle point. This total is c, and from here to here will be c by 2, and this is also c by 2. If you take in this, what you will get? Like this, if you take, this is minus, right? Minus, and this will be also maybe minus or plus, right? So the coordinates of center will be c by 2 or plus or minus c by 2. This will be positive. In this you may have negative, right? This is the negative part of y, and so you may have plus or minus. This is plus and this is minus, no? So plus or minus c by 2 you will have. Understood? Now equation of circle is given by x minus alpha whole square plus y minus alpha whole square is equals to alpha square. This is the equation for this type of circles. This type of means what? Touches both the axis. Touches both the axis. Equation of the circle will be this. So here alpha is nothing, sorry, this is beta. So alpha beta are nothing but center coordinates, means these are given the names alpha and beta, right? So substitute these values in this equation. X minus c by 2 whole square plus x minus c by 2 whole square plus or minus is equals to c by 2 whole square. Now from this what we can do? This becomes 2x minus c whole by 2 whole square plus x square, sorry, 2x plus or minus c by 2 whole square equals to c by 2 whole square, which implies this becomes what? 2x minus c whole square by 4 means 2 square plus 2x plus or minus c by 4, which is equals to c square by 4. So here this LCM and this will be get cancelled and remains what? 2x minus c whole square plus 2x plus or minus c is equals to c square, right? Now let us expand these two. What you will get? 4x square plus c square minus 4cx. This part expansion. Now coming to this, plus this becomes 4x square again, and this becomes always for plus or minus you will get the second term in this expansion plus only. So plus c square, and in the middle term it changes, plus or minus you will get. So 4cx equals to c square, which implies if you observe plus c square and this comes this side, it becomes minus c square. So directly you can cancel. And what left? 4x square plus 4x square. Okay, 4x square, and these two get cancelled. Plus c square equal to 0. Sorry, here y no. Y, okay, this becomes what? 2x minus c whole square plus 2y plus or minus c whole square equals to c square, right? Now let us expand 4x square plus c square minus 4cx, and this becomes plus 4y square plus c square plus or minus 4cy equals to c square. This c square cancel, and 4x square plus 4y square minus 4cx plus or minus 4cy plus c square equals to 0. Now so what we got? 4x square minus 4y square minus 4cx plus or minus 4cy plus c square equals to 0. This we got. Now let us take 4 common in this all. So 4 into x square, this is plus y square minus cx plus or minus cy plus c square by 4 equals to 0, and this comes this side, it becomes 0 again. So x square plus y square minus cx plus or minus cy plus c square by 4 equals to 0. This is the required circle equation. Got it? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.